name is Olly. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Molly.
Nice to meet you, Molly. How old are you?
I'm 8, and you?
I'm 9 years old. You have a particular accent. Where are you from?
I'm English, but my father is Italian.
Wow, do you speak Italian?
Yes, I speak Italian with my dad.
Cool, I only speak English, but I know a few words in Italian.
Really? Like what?
Ciao, grazie, and gelato.
Aha, those are important words.
Yes, I love gelato. What's your favorite flavor?
Dark chocolate. And you?
Strawberry and yogurt. Do you like pizza too?
Of course, it's my favorite food.
Me too. What's your favorite topping?
I like pizza with mozzarella and olives. And you?
I love ham and cheese pizza.
My friend Tom loves ham and cheese pizza too.
And where is Tom?
Now, he is in Barcelona, but we can play together next week.
Yes, of course. Why is he in Barcelona?
His aunt lives in Spain with her family.
Spain, paella. My mother cooks a very good paella with chicken and vegetables.
Oh wow! Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I'm an only child. And you?
I have a sister and a brother. He is Matt, and he is 12 years old. He goes to middle school. He is smart and fun. His favorite hobby are video games. She is Maggie, and she is 16. She goes to high school. She has long, straight blonde hair and a fringe.
And who is he?
This is my dog. His name is Max. Do you have any pets?
I have a dog named Fritz and a black cat named Splash.
My grandmother has a red cat. What's your favorite subject, Olly?
My favorite subject is math, but I also like music and history.
I love music. I can play guitar and piano.
Cool, I can't play guitar, but I can play the piano.
Molly, come on.
This is my math teacher. Are you coming to the school park tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, Olly.
Bye, Molly.